welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to wrap up the Summertime Find series with the De-Bloat G.O.A.T. So this is my go-to because it just relieves like waterway, it just helps my tummy a lot, so which is what I want. So the secret ingredient is green tea, and you know green tea does wonders for weight loss and flat belly. So I added that in there. Green tea can be a little bit bitter, spinach can be a little bit bitter, so we're going to bring in the pineapple to sweeten it up, and we're going to bring in the mint just to add a little bit more zest and flavor. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have the mint, we have the pineapple. I'm going to use the rest of it. That should be about 2 cups or so. I'm going to do a cup of spinach, and we're going to do half a lemon. I just started to pre-sliced lemons just to make it easier, so all I have to do is just like squeeze and go instead of like bringing out the knife and the chop board just to slice it up. So I just started doing that, and it made it so much easier. I have the green tea on the stove, and that's all we need really. Let's do this. Alright, so you know how I do. First things first, I'm going to chop up the spinach, and instead of just regular water this time, I am going to go ahead and chop it up in the green tea. So let's get this started. So this is what it's looking like. Kind of frothy. All green and healthy looking. Alright, let's go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. All the ingredients in there. Added some ice cubes as well with the pineapple and the mint, and let's do this. This is a very pretty and healthy green. We're gonna go ahead and pour it up and see what it's tasting like. As you can see, I've been tearing this up. It's so good. It's so refreshing. It feels like summer. No Childish Gambino. It's just so good. Like it tastes like it should be infused water, which is, I'm probably going to try that next, because the mint and the pineapple just does something. Like it's just again, I feel like I'm on a beach somewhere, which is the whole purpose of summer. And if you can't get to a beach, this is going to be the closest thing. Me, I can get to the beach in about 40 minutes on traffic, but today I'm too lazy, so I brought the beach to me. So this is the 4th installment of the Summertime Find series, so this is wrapped up. But if you want to see more recipes, like whether it's smoothies or juices, just let me know. I know in all the recipes they have pineapple, and I know people aren't a fan of pineapple or ginger or mint. So if there's like a certain fruit that you want to see a recipe for, just let me know. And with that being said, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you find this drink just as delicious as I do, and I will see you beautiful and creative things next time. Bye.